Hey you guys, it's your girl Truly Jam, and I'm coming back with another video. And I'm so proud to present you guys with my resin kit. Um, so what we're gonna do is walk through all the things that you're gonna receive in the kit once you purchase it off of my website. Um, I try to think of everything that you guys are gonna need first. So let's get started with this kit. Now, what you're gonna get is, first of all, you're gonna get 25 grams of UV resin. That is gonna last you for so long because when you're using this UV resin, it is all you need is like drops, and it's so great. And everyone is gonna get the 25 grams of UV resin, and of course you're gonna get the UV torch. Um, You're going to get a UV torch to go with it because, of course, you got to use that for the UV gel. You're going to get a pair of gloves. Then everyone is going to get this mold. It is a cute little kitty mold. So it's like the kitty necklace with the 2 pair of earrings, the paws with 2 paw earrings. So everyone's going to get this in their kit. Then everyone is going to get these beautiful keys. There'll be 3 keys in each kit um, to make resin things out of. Then everyone is going to get these beautiful little necklace or keychains if you want to get them. Now, as you can see, they're all dull, but you can peel off and you get the shiny side. So right now they're dull, but you can peel this off, you guys. So that's dull, like this side is dull, but this one peeled off. So um like you can put resin around it. The only thing I didn't include in this kit is the scotch tape. What you would use to put this on so that you can do the UV resin here, and then use the light, and then you take it off. But I'm going to make a video for how to do everything in the kit, so you guys can revert back to the video every time. So you'll get a Sailor Moon, you'll get the pretty kitty, you'll get a mermaid, and you will also get a butterfly. See, this one will peel up already, so when you get it, just peel it off before you make your keychain or whatever out of it, and it show the shiny side. Both sides are shiny. So you'll get 4 of those. Then you'll get these, and I have like 5 sheets in here, and they're all different. Like one theme is Christmas, one theme is unicorns, one theme is flowers. So you'll have this to go up underneath your resin to let it show through. I think that'd be really pretty, so I included that. And then I have some stir spoons. You guys might not have to use this. You can use toothpicks if you want, but I thought these were so cute, so I included 2 of them. Then I included all of these pretty sequences jars with the sequence in. So this is one. Then I included some white pearls just in case, you want to embellish. Then I included different colors of 3mm. Notice 4mm stones, just in case you want to put some on there. Then I included some sequin stars. And you guys, I love these jars. Then I included some pretty little things that you can put inside. So they have like flowers, fruit, smiley faces. I think like Hello Kitty's in there. Flower petals are in there. So you just have a lot of different things. Then I added these sequins. Then I added these. I love this color. Then I added these sequins too, and they're just hearts, stars, and different colors that you can put in there. So yeah, you guys, this is all what you will be getting with the kit and how it will come packaged. I'm going to do that now. Here's my beautiful little box that I got. And let's see. We're going to put this in first. I don't want to take it out of this wrapping. Then I want to put this in. Then I have, where's my little baggies? Then I'm going to try to put all of your little things in one of these bags so they won't be rolling around everywhere. And I won't have to get a bigger box. Oh, I probably should put this in first. Put this in first. Then this. Then this. Then this. And this. Let's see. Oh, I forgot about these. And of course, my card with all my information in there, my website, everything. I'm gonna have to cut this paper down. So there we go. There. Now, of course, I'll be taping this and wrapping it in some pretty little tissue paper and sending it right out to you once you order it. This kit will be $39. I think it's $39 for this kit because you do quite a bit of stuff, and it is a lot of UV resin and all the tools that you need with it. I would say I'll have more kits soon with different things, but this is the starter kit. So you would need to get this first if you don't already have like the UV light and all that stuff like that. So this is my debut of my resin kit, and I'm loving it. I might have to order a bigger box for this because it's a lot of stuff in here. So yeah, I'm so happy that it's finally here. I know you guys been waiting and asking me, when are you gonna have kits? When are you gonna sell kits? They're gonna be up very soon on the site, and you guys can order them, and I'll ship them right out to you. So yeah, you guys, like, share, and subscribe. Thumbs up these videos, and as always, always, always have a blessed night. Bye.